Mheshimiwa Speaker, honorable members, we draw your attention to Article 50 of the Constitution, which is a fulcrum of a fair trial. And this honorable House is executing a quasi-judicial function of the most weighty nature regarding the removal from office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, elected by the people of Kenya. Nothing would be more prejudicial than to call witnesses whose statements or affidavits we have not seen. The whole purpose of affidavits and witness statements is to enable the other side, in this case, the Deputy President, to seek legal advice, to give instructions on how best to respond to it. And this Honorable House has fixed 2 days for this trial. And one of the issues we'll be raising is these allegations, and you are going to go through them, against the Deputy President, suspicions, conclusions, on matters that were never referred to DCI in Kiambu Road, who are trained to investigate these matters. Nothing was referred to the Anti-Corruption Commission or any of the other investigative agencies, including money laundering. We strongly object and ask that the record of this Honorable House reflects that if this is permitted for the National Assembly to call witnesses at this stage without first furnishing us with their witness statement and affidavits, the case of the Deputy President will be irredeemably prejudiced. So we object very strongly to that application.
Counsel for National Assembly.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in brief rejoinder to the objection by learned senior counsel for the Deputy President. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the invitation to attend that was extended by this House to the National Assembly, the invitation included a request as to a list of witnesses the National Assembly required summoned. We responded to that request, and Mr. Speaker, sir, all we seek is a confirmation that our response has been actioned. What the learned counsel for the Deputy President is objecting to is not our request, but really it is a response to a request made by this august House. I'm most obliged.
Counsel for Deputy President, do I get it that you have no problem with the first request made by the National Assembly?
Mheshimiwa Speaker, we would want to see those pages. And that time we'll be able to say yes or no. It is the second one.
Clerk, has that document been made available to the Deputy President's team? Kindly, in the next few seconds, make it available so that we make progress. Honorable Senators, if there's any senator who has not gotten that document, you may also let the chair know so that we supply you with that document. Senator Mazayo, Senator Olekina, Senator Miraj, Senator Kavindu, Crystal Asige, Senator Kajwang.
Honorable Speaker, if I may, with your permission, just to highlight one point based on what my learned friends for the National Assembly have said. The letter they refer to is a letter dated the 14th of October 2024. It is addressed to the Honorable Speaker of the Senate by the Clerk of the National Assembly. The letter does not contain any information about any other witnesses being sought. It does not indicate that the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission will be asked to produce any other witness, affidavits, or documents. Thank you very much.
Mr. Speaker, sir, if I may.
Just take your seat for a minute. Senior Counsel Paul MWITE, are you in receipt of the document now?
Mheshimiwa Speaker, this document, we are seeing it for the first time now, 3-4 minutes ago. And it has got many, many pages, so we were quickly going through it, and in order to save the time of this honorable House, perhaps you can give us an opportunity to go through these documents, because we need to go through them. Inaonekana kama hii ni ukarabati, but let's go through it. Perhaps if you agree, Mheshimiwa Speaker, perhaps we can get on with the first prosecution witness giving evidence, and as soon as we've gone through this, then we shall come back to you, Mheshimiwa Speaker.
Thank you for your wisdom, Senior Counsel. Now, the other limb that has been raised is on the issue of summons to witnesses. Now, if you look at our rules of procedure, more particularly rule number 10, which provide as follows, that the Senate may, at the request of the National Assembly or the President, and in this particular matter, the Deputy President, invite or summon any person to appear and give evidence before the Senate. So the summons that have been sought